Today I want to do a quick tutorial on how I curl my hair. I think I've read a comment of like someone asking me to do a hair routine. Unfortunately, I don't do much to my hair. I just wash it. I really rarely use conditioner, although I do sometimes use this. It's from The Ordinary. It's their virgin marula oil. I actually initially bought this for my face, but I didn't really like the feeling of oil on my face. I don't know, I feel like it doesn't really get absorbed like other moisturizers do. I know this isn't a moisturizer. I don't know, I just didn't like the feeling of it sitting on my skin. But then I just looked it up and like apparently you can use it for your hair too. So I've just been using it for my hair after I wash my hair, usually when it's like damp sometimes. But yeah, this is what my hair naturally looks like. It's pretty straight, but it's kind of frizzy too. I just washed it yesterday. This is day 2 hair. Anyways, let's just get on with it. So this is the curling iron that I use. It's Babyliss Pro. Also, I like to section my hair. I usually just use scrunchies or just a hair clip to section it. I don't like some people don't like to section it, but I find it like way easier for me because like usually the hair just gets mixed up and I don't know, it's just kind of confusing. But yeah, I always section my hair. So I usually just start with putting the top half of my hair up. Like so, and then I would divide the remaining hair into 2. Okay, so I usually do it from the back part to the front. I'm just gonna curl it away from my face, clamp it from the root, drag it halfway, roll it up, wait for a few seconds, and then you want to slowly release the clamp and roll it. That's it. So I always curl my hair away from my face. So for the right side, I curl it clockwise, and for my left side, I curl it anti-clockwise. So now I'm done with like half. So here is like a comparison of it curled and not curled. I'm just gonna bring this back and then continue with my left side. Okay, so I'm done with half of my hair. I don't brush it out now. I'm just gonna continue with the rest of my hair. So I'm gonna divide this into 2. And then I'm gonna clip the other half up. What? Okay, so I usually bring just all the curled hair to like one side. So this is the top right side. I'm just gonna do the exact same thing. Taking a small section, starting from the back, curling it away from my face, clamping it at the root, dragging it halfway down, and then rolling it up. I only drag it like halfway down first because I feel like if I don't do that, the top half of my hair doesn't get curled. And then after a few seconds, I just slowly release the clamp until I reach the end of my hair, and then I roll it back up. Okay, 3/4 of the hair done. Okay, so I'm just doing the same thing, bringing the hair to one side, letting this other side down. Again, I'm taking the back section, curling it away from my face anti-clockwise. bangs not curl, kind of like straighten. So I just lip gloss. Okay, so I separate my bangs and then just a curling one to curl it like upwards. And that kind of creates like that. So now I'm just gonna brush through the curls using my fingers. I'm not gonna use a like hairbrush. Just to like separate the curls. I can't really see. I don't have a mirror. I've been doing this like through the viewfinder of my camera. So those were clips from my phone because you can't really, I feel like you can't really see clearly from the camera. I think it's more of like wavy rather than a curl, especially after I brush it out, but that's just like how I want it to be. I think if you want to make it more curly, you can use like a smaller one. But yeah, this is just the look that I like. I don't know if what I'm doing was right or not, but that's just how I usually do it and it works for me. So anyways, I hope it was somewhat helpful. Let me know if you have like any other videos that you want me to make. I know you guys really enjoy my crochet videos, but like at the moment I don't really have a project in mind that I really want to make, so that's why I haven't been like uploading any other like crochet projects. But yeah, I hope this was somewhat helpful. Thanks for watching.